Another significant milestone in humanity's exploration of Mars has been reached with the stunning photos and discoveries made by NASA's Perseverance rover, which is now in the Belva Crater. Starting with the Artemis missions to the Moon, this is a part of a bigger plan to send humans to Mars. In this long-term strategy to explore Mars, look for microbial life, and eventually make human exploration possible, Perseverance's mission is essential. Perseverance took 152 images of Belva Crater at Jezero Crater in April 2023 and combined them into an intricate mosaic. These pictures offered important new information on the geology and climate of ancient Mars. What mysteries do these Martian soils conceal about extinct life, given this discovery? Could humanity's cosmic riddles be answered by the secrets of Mars? The goal of the rover's astrobiology mission is to find evidence of prehistoric microbial life. It has equipment for gathering and storing samples of Martian rock and soil, which will eventually be brought back to Earth for examination. The European Space Agency, ESA, and NASA are working together internationally on this project. The Ingenuity helicopter, which provides aerial views of its surroundings and gives Mars exploration a fresh perspective, goes hand in hand with Perseverance. The rover symbolizes the human spirit of exploration and serves a purpose beyond simply searching for life. Perseverance has been searching Jezero Crater for evidence of the possibility of life on Mars for the past year and a half. The goal is to increase our knowledge of the cosmos in addition to advancing science. Finding water on Mars, which is essential for life, is one of the main goals. Scientists are encouraged by the discovery of water on Mars because it raises the possibility that life once existed there. A significant step towards resolving the mystery of life on Mars was NASA's 2020 Mars mission, which planned to study the planet's terrain and gather geological samples. Because the prospect of meeting Martians or their germs piques people's curiosity, Perseverance's mission is both filled with serious scientific work and an element of adventure. Perseverance landed in February 2021 at the Jezero Crater, which is said to have originally contained a lake, giving it a perfect place to look into possible past life. The landing site, which bears the name of Octavia E. Butler, a well-known author of science fiction, represents the union of creativity in scientific research. Understanding the crater's billion-year past and how its ancient river systems might have once sustained microbial life are at the heart of the rover's exploration in Jezero. The Sherlock gadget is one of Perseverance's instruments for searching for organic materials, which is essential to determining whether life has ever existed on Mars. While the rover's discovery of organic molecules is not confirmation of Martians, it may provide important evidence of past life. However, scientists are hopeful that they are getting closer to determining whether life ever existed on Mars after finding organic material in the Jezero Crater. In comparison to other missions, the rover has been able to travel almost 8 miles, exploring locations such as Skinner's Ridge and Wildcat Ridge, where the greatest amount of organic matter has been discovered. Through the use of Perseverance's cameras and microphones, scientists and the general public can experience Mars in a way that has never been possible before. Gathering rock samples that might one day be returned to Earth for additional examination is one of Perseverance's main goals. As researchers try to ascertain if Mars might have supported life, this marks a significant scientific advance in the planet's exploration. The Perseverance mission's use of the Ingenuity helicopter is another innovative feature. By becoming the first aircraft to fly on another planet, Ingenuity demonstrated the possibility of future aerial exploration of Mars. The Martian landscape can be explored with amazing accuracy by Perseverance, which is incredibly self-sufficient and capable of mapping its own paths. In order to learn more about whether life ever existed on Mars, Perseverance is outfitted with instruments to examine the planet's rocks and atmosphere. Additionally, it is testing technology that could help future people explore Mars by producing oxygen from the planet's atmosphere. The Perseverance rover's excitement is comparable to that of the 1996 finding of possible life signals in a Martian meteorite. In addition to carrying out experiments like producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, which may one day aid future explorers in surviving on Mars, the rover is contributing to the advancement of this discovery by carrying on the hunt for life on the planet. Whether Mars might have supported life is still a contentious issue in the scientific community as Perseverance continues its mission. Some contend that life may never have been on Mars, despite the fact that many people think it did billions of years ago. The rover aims to collect additional information and offer a more definitive solution to this enigma. Discussions concerning the beginnings of life in our solar system have been triggered by the finding of organic materials on Mars. According to some scientists, meteorites that traveled between the planets may have brought life to Earth from Mars. The idea of panspermia begs the question of how life may have proliferated throughout the solar system and possibly beyond. Interest in Mars has increased as a result of Elon Musk's desire to colonize the planet. Technologies being developed by his space company, SpaceX, have the potential to enable human habitation on Mars. Although Musk's goals are admirable, experts caution that it would be very difficult to live on Mars. Mars is inundated with hazardous cosmic radiation and lacks the basic necessities for human living, such as drinkable water and air. The prospect of residing on Mars is alluring despite these difficulties. It raises concerns about the prospects for extraterrestrial life and the direction of human exploration. The results of Perseverance provide important hints regarding the history of Mars and its potential for life support as researchers continue to explore the possibility of life on the planet. Important questions concerning the existence of life in the universe are brought up by the investigation of Mars. Our knowledge of biology and the origins of life would be altered if life had ever existed on Mars. On the other hand, if life never existed on Mars, it would emphasize the special circumstances needed for life to arise. In addition to gathering important data, Perseverance lays the groundwork for upcoming missions as it continues its exploration of Mars. The success of the rover has created new opportunities for the exploration of Mars in the future. With an extensive mission planned for the 2030s, scientists are already figuring out how to return the samples that Perseverance gathers. These samples will provide detailed information about the geology, biological potential, and suitability of Mars for future human habitation. Learning more about Mars helps us plan for humanity's long-term survival beyond Earth while also providing answers to historical issues, which make space travel more viable and sustainable. In addition to its scientific interest, Perseverance's journey exemplifies the spirit of global cooperation. Decades of work by engineers, scientists, and space organizations worldwide have culminated in the rover's mission. For instance, Perseverance's collaboration with the European Space Agency is crucial to the mission's accomplishment. Since the exploration of Mars and beyond is a collaborative effort that cuts across national boundaries, the partnership emphasizes the value of cooperation in international scientific endeavors. This group endeavor represents the belief that humanity can solve the universe's secrets and get ready for an exciting future in space by working together. This is only the beginning of the Perseverance rover's voyage on Mars. We go closer to addressing one of humanity's most important issues with every new finding: are we the only ones in the universe? As we continue to investigate the secrets of our neighboring planet and its capacity to host life, we are seeing history being made through the prism of Perseverance. It is still unclear if humans will ever be able to survive on Mars. The harsh environment of the planet presents problems that scientists are trying to overcome. The Perseverance rover will be essential to revealing the red planet's mysteries and influencing humanity's future in space as we continue our exploration of the planet.